ladies and gentlemen, we have this link that I have shared with you. Click on that link. That link should take you straight to the 100 Days of Linux page on your network practice lab for Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay. So what we are going to do is we are going to use Cisco Packet Tracer because it's going to help us to understand routers, switches, uh, understand networking, and we are going to use this also when we connect to real devices, hopefully in a couple of weeks. So um, this is kind of like the play field of understanding networking, right? So there is a lab and all that, but the first thing will come down here is we will go to this link. Basically, you can use any browser you have, Google Chrome, whatever browser you have. Copy this link, just click here, come over here, and basically enter the link, okay? And it will bring you to this page, right? This is the page it's going to bring you to netacad.com. Next thing, what are you going to do? What you're going to do is you're going to create a Cisco account. I don't know if I have one or I need to create one. I don't know, but let me try it. So you will basically log in, clicking the login. You'll put your email. Uh, okay. And then go to your login account. Sorry. So we want to go back. Let me go back. Let me go back one more time. Let me go back one more time. Right. Um, and I want to sign up. Sorry. So I want to sign up. If I want to sign up, it'll show me the Google logo. If not, I have to fill out this information. They will not charge you any money. You will select your country. Okay. In this case, it is USA, right? In your case, maybe Nigeria, it could be Pakistan. So you have United States, and you pick up your state, which is Texas, and your date of birth could be anything. Select a year. Okay, where are we? All right, let's say we select a year. It doesn't matter. Okay. Uh, okay, and then continue. You put your first name, your email. I think I already have an account, but let's see. And password, you're going to add a password and you're going to click on create an account. Oh, confirmation. Sorry, I need to confirm my password requirements. What are the password requirement? Email. Oh, it says
It
already
says
use my.
the email already exists.
Yes. So all I have to do is log in. Okay. And so basically 1973 at gmail.com. I'm gonna go, or I can continue with this logo, Google logo. Let's see. It's a long time. I think it was almost 9 months ago when we did the last class, and we didn't really teach the Cisco Packet Tracer because our team was debating. I've come to the conclusion after working for Arista that a Linux system admin must be very good in networking because there are a lot of jobs, and our goal is to maximize the benefit of us to be able to go and execute, find a job. We don't want any opportunity to be lost. We cannot go to a job and say, oh, I know Linux, I don't know networking. Oh, do you know this? No, I don't know that. And then you'll be like, wow, I spent all this time learning Linux and I didn't know anything about networking because Linux commands for networking are only a few commands. I can count them on the finger, right? There are no more than five or six commands for networking, or 10 maximum. But that does not mean you know networking. Well, this guy is taking some time. I don't know what it is doing. Okay. Academy to access is for you. Okay, continue. Right. So I have entered into a screen that is going to look like this. Okay. So if you go into my notes, you have taken this link. Okay. Before, who is doing this? Maybe we can see what they're doing. But let me walk you through because I'm making the video. If you already have a Cisco Networking Academy account, we can skip this section, which is what I did. I have to skip the section. After you create the account, log in using your Cisco credentials, which I did. Okay, there may also be optional box allowing Cisco to send this. Now open the Cisco Networking Academy dashboard. This is the dashboard. Okay, it's in front of you. I can close that, and it says look for an option similar to explore. Okay, look for a system that says explore. Up here on the upper left corner, you'll see explore. If we bring it down, we should be able to see Cisco Packet Tracer right over here. You see? They've added a lot of things for cybersecurity programming. We don't need all of that, right? We are going to focus, and please, the word is focus, all right? We will come to the Cisco Packet Tracer, right? Uh, so once you come to this and you click on that, you're going to have these options. And for getting started with well, let's see what I have put in my notes. I've already gone to explore. Then locate Cisco Packet Tracer. Number 5, open the Cisco Packet Tracer section. Getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay. Getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer. I'm going to click on that. All right. Okay. And in here, then it'll say Cisco may provide some introductory trainings, which I think I was looking at them, resume the course. How many people have been, you can play around with it. They have a curriculum of them teaching a course to you. Download and use Cisco Packet Tracer, right? Here's what you will learn. How to download it, how to do this. But let's follow my notes. These resources are optional. Okay. All of these resources you're seeing here are optional. So let's keep on going. Lab 6. Open the tracer download page. So learn more about Cisco Packet Tracer. All right. We want to learn more about Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, Packet Tracer activity. Okay, so this has changed on this page. Um, we have self-paced, instructor-led. Okay, resume the course. No. Let's see here. So that has changed. I got to change in my notes. Or view all. Open the Packet Tracer catalog or download section. Okay, so this is where they're saying that we have it. Let's look at it. Install. Uh, they have a video. They have Cisco Packet Tracer interface. Right. All right. Let's see. So module 1. So install Cisco Packet Tracer. Um, Let me pause the video. Right. So, ladies and gentlemen, when you get to this page, you will have to click on this tab. There is this tab over here, right? You can see the tab. So, you will go to this tab over here and you will click on resume your course, or if you have started your course, okay? And so I'm going to resume the course. When I come to resume the course, I will see there is module 1. You can see module 1, install Cisco Packet Tracer. So to obtain and install your copy of Cisco Packet Tracer, please follow the instructions from the link below. Okay. So this thing is not clickable. It's just a picture. Nothing will happen here. You have to click on that link. You see that link? You have to click on that link. So it's saying that it's going to show you how to download the packet tracer. Right. All right. So it's taken us down to the point where we can download the packet tracer. It will bring us to the screen, right? And the one we are interested is for Windows 64. If you need more guidance, you can look at this, but we can actually click on that for Windows. And you can see that the download has started over here on the top. Um,
We have this Cisco packet tracer going on. So these two we need to download today. This video is all about us being able to download Cisco packet tracer. How many of you have been able to download it or have started the process? Um, no problem, Asim, no problem. Watch the video and do the necessary. We are all working right now, busy people. That's fine. So you can see that I'm waiting for this to download, right? And once I have this, I can click on it. Um, recent download is done. Okay. I'm hoping that this download is done in my downloads folder. Let's see. Okay, now it is done. Now it is done. Beautiful. So you can see that it has downloaded. You can actually see where it is located. I can open to see where it has downloaded, right? Because a lot of times we are worried. It usually goes to the download folder, and you'll get something like this. You'll say yes, and it will again pop you up for this one. You'll say yes, and then it is going to give you something. Hold on. I accept the agreement. Next. I'm going to go ahead and it's going to be under my program files, packet tracer next, next. I want to create a desktop shortcut, okay, and or a quick launch, create a desktop shortcut, which is what I want next, and I'll just go ahead and install it. So it is downloading. I'm going to pause this and when to finish this.
Mike was
नो
not.
प्रॉब्लम नो प्रॉब्लम कोई बात नहीं हम पैकेट सिस्को पैकेट ट्रेसर जो है ना वी आर डाउनलोडिंग इट तो ये आप भी डाउनलोड करें हमने आधे आधे घंटे हम एक 2 हफ्ते तक के
Mm-hmm.
पूरी नेटवर्किंग पढ़ लेंगे इंशाल्लाह ना जो दुनिया में इस्तेमाल हो रही है
Okay.
नेटवर्किंग ताकि ये
Mm-hmm.
ना हो कि हम लिनक्स पढ़ने के बाद हमें एक एहसास कमतरी पैदा हो जाए कि यार इतना वक्त दिया इतने इन्होंने वादे किए नेटवर्किंग की एक ओपनिंग आई थी एक जगह आई थी और उन्होंने कहा यार आप तो लिनक्स के बंदे नेटवर्किंग के बंदे ही नहीं हैं आप
Mm-hmm.
तो ये हो चुका है बहुत दफा हो चुका है लोगों के साथ लोग काफी तकलीफ में आ चुके हैं इस वजह से तो हमने अब क्या किया कि अब
Mm-hmm.
नेटवर्किंग पढ़ाएंगे पूरी सो वी आर गोइंग टू
Okay. Okay.
वी आर गोइंग टू टीच द नेटवर्किंग क्लास सो इसके लिए यू नीड टू डाउनलोड द पैकेट ट्रेसर दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट
Cisco.
मैंने स्टेप दे दिए
Mm-hmm.
सारे आप आप अपना अकाउंट बनाएं अकाउंट बना के मैंने आप वीडियो देख लीजिए छोटी सी वीडियो है ये ज्यादा लंबी नहीं है
जी ओके
मैंने अभी रिकॉर्डिंग पॉज कर
ये
डन
जो सर आपने
जी
सॉरी विच यू हैव सेंड द लिंक GitHub it is in
Yeah, it is
that
showing you
link okay
the step, right? But there are
okay
some steps सही नहीं है. Let me tell you why. ये जो step उर्दू में भी मैंने भेज दिया है, इंग्लिश में भी भेज दिया है,
mm-hmm.
लेकिन यहाँ आके this is where the problem happened. Step 6, open the packet tracer. यहाँ
Mm-hmm.
यहाँ ये क्लियर नहीं था, इसको मैं क्लियर कर दूंगा इस क्लास के बाद. तो
Okay
आप या तो वीडियो देख लीजिएगा. मैं आई नीड टू गेट
yeah
नहियान ताकि वी कैन पोस्ट द वीडियो क्विकली. 2 वीडियोस रह गई हैं, आज की भी रह गई है. तो मैं बंदे से भी बात करनी है कि यार अब इसको हम जरा फास्ट ट्रैक कर दे थोड़ा सा. वो मेरे पीछे लगा हुआ है, मेरी
okay
अपनी कोताही है. आई एम गोना गेट इट डन, आई विल गेट इट डन. सो या
okay
स्टेप 6 वाज डिफरेंट. स्टेप 6 उन्होंने बदल दिया पेज अपना ना स्टेप 6 के अंदर.
mm-hmm.
और ये स्टेबल बेटा बेटा सब हटा दिया उन्होंने. इन्होंने
Mm-hmm.
वो इसको ये भी इसकी भी जरूरत नहीं है. तो आप रुक जाए, 1-2 मिनट दें, आप आराम से कर लीजिएगा. कल सुबह कर लीजिएगा, एक
Okay
घंटे में कर लीजिएगा, नो प्रॉब्लम. राइट. सो you should have the we should have the packet tracer now. Now once we have the packet tracer, um, I can maybe just try this directly. एक मिनट ठहरे, let's try this. Let us see if yeah try. Can you try this link? अपना Asim, yeah, I've sent a link and see if this works. Netcad. If you already have account, it should take you directly to that link to download the packet tracer. पहले तो बस सीधा साधा होता था पैकेट ट्रेसर डाउनलोड करना. अब उन्होंने उसको they put it in a course. So check it out, everybody. All right. Let me put that away. I've also put it in Urdu. Finish, complete the Cisco packet tracer. The version is 9.0.1. We have changed 64-bit setup wizard. And I'll say finish. And after we finish it, it should be able to launch the application. The packet tracer application should be launched. So let me see where it is launching. I don't see it anywhere. Okay, I see it on my other screen. Um, yes, would you like to run multi-user when application starts? I don't know. Let me find out. Let me ask ChatGPT what this is because they're changing this Cisco packet tracer so much. Let me find out from ChatGPT. Let's what ChatGPT will tell me. Okay. Do I want to do what? Um, okay, let's see. Okay, and then say, would you like to? No. So the answer ChatGPT is telling me don't click on yes, click on no. Okay, we'll click on no, right? And let's see what happens. Packet tracer should be coming up. Oh, Cisco packet tracer. There you go. Keep me logged in for 3 months. Not recommended for public or shared computers. Okay, so we can log in. Okay, you have logged into the tab, right? Where is it? There is the Cisco packet tracer. Beautiful. That is the kind of screen that you should be able to see. And tomorrow we'll start picking up. Like we have our router, right? We're going to put a switch. We can look at resources like a laptop. Click on this left click and right click, right? Um, so we are going to start playing with the can move it around. We're going to connect them, and we are going to go into the CLI. You can see that we have this. Then you can actually also increase the font sizes. We look at ports, IPC, look at the tools. Um, let me see here. Extensions. I am putting a lab notes for you guys. You're gonna enjoy this. It's practical. I think multi-user IPC, okay? Or you can left click on it. So if you left click on it, 2 times left click on it, it's gonna open the screen for you, right? And in this screen, you can see the actual router, how it looks, okay? And you have the option of physical configure CLI. Now, all of you who are sitting in this class know what a command line is because you've been using Linux, right? If you come down here, you'll say, would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? Answer is no. That is typically what people do. You say no, sorry, no. Okay, what's going on with my machine? Um, no. Okay, you have the router, and we'll take this class tomorrow. How to get into CLI. All of you by now understand the command line, so this should be very straightforward for you. Um, System configuration and dialog. How a Cisco router. This is how an actual Cisco router looks like, feels like, and the commands that are used by Cisco routers. We will learn this to understand our DNS. We're going to learn DHCP. We're going to learn how to connect a machine. And Asim, we can take your Mart as an example and use that as a project. That if you have a coffee shop, and in the coffee shop you have a POS machine, then and how many users? How do we to find out how many users we have? How many switches you need to connect? So we will do two or at least two, one simple example, one large example, because it will help you to um, it will help you very much to do a real project. तो अगर हम आपकी कंपनी का नेटवर्किंग सिस्टम बना देंगे तो आपका प्रैक्टिकल सिस्टम बन जाएगा. यू कैन पुट दैट ऑन योर रेज्यूमे.
Yes, sure. Thank
तो
you.
no problem. Anybody, any time anybody asks you, have you done networking? Yes. What have you done in networking? I implemented a network for a company, and that's my job. You'll have your business card. You can provide network Linux, and Linux networking services along with monitoring alerts. I mean, we're learning all this stuff. So the ecosystem will because these are where you can make money, right? Yeah, these are practical areas where you can go ahead and make money in networking. Like after 2 weeks, you can start marketing yourself. Okay, I'll show you that. So let me pause.